I'm not opposed to these things like breath work, for example. I've done EFT, I've obviously been in cold baths, but I'm here to say if that is what we need every day to calm ourselves down or stimulate ourselves, and we can only achieve that with these external practices, then our system is not in good nervous system regulation. It is in some form of, we could say, dysregulation, and we're searching for that strategy, that mechanism, that thing, that action to bring us either out of arousal and sympathetic fight or flight, or bring us up and out of what we would call high tone dorsal, which is the shutdown, freeze, collapse mode that so many of us live in when we're living in, say, a deep depression, severe anxiety, severe chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, those sorts of syndromal characteristics. So again, nothing wrong with using some strategies and external resources, but my interest here and what I do when I work with my students is to help them gain the capacity, gain the foundation and the capacity to be with the intensities slowly over time, so they can learn this new language of nervous system regulation, so they can, in fact, as my teacher Kathy Kane has once said, wake up in the morning and just go about their day without not needing these things to get through their day.